Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue thicker. First, ensure your egg whites are perfectly clean. Even a tiny bit of yolk can prevent them from whipping properly. Always use a meticulously clean, dry bowl and whisk. Adding a quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar or a few drops of lemon juice can significantly help stabilize your egg whites, making them much easier to whip into stiff peaks. This simple step is crucial for a successful, thick meringue. Choosing the right sugar and adding it correctly are vital. Superfine granulated sugar dissolves more quickly, preventing a gritty meringue. Begin whipping your egg whites until they reach soft peaks, then start incorporating the sugar. Add it slowly, about 1 tablespoon at a time, allowing each addition to fully dissolve before adding more. This gradual process ensures a smooth, stable, and thick meringue.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Your support truly helps us create more content. On another note, for all your reading adventures, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime, with its glare-free display. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Sometimes meringue doesn't thicken as expected. Overwhipping can make it dry and crumbly, losing its smooth texture. Conversely, underwhipping leaves it runny and unstable, unable to hold its shape. Environmental factors, especially high humidity, can also make it difficult for meringue to stiffen. Aim for that perfect balance in whipping and consider the weather conditions when preparing your meringue. The goal is to achieve stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape when the whisk is lifted. To check for proper consistency, rub a small amount between your fingers. It should feel smooth, not gritty, indicating the sugar has fully dissolved. Be careful not to introduce any extra liquid, as this will thin your meringue and prevent it from reaching the desired thickness. Patience is key for perfect peaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.